And to be honest with you, if you're going to just, test the water on this, what they've done is they've actually made this pro deal so good that it's a no-brainer to actually go for. Imagine spending hours chopping up your videos into shorts, adding captions, adjusting music, only to get a handful of views. Frustrating, right? Well, in today's honest review, I'm going to show you how AI could do all of this for you in minutes and potentially get better results. And don't worry, I've got a free trial link in the description that will take you directly to what I'm about to show you. Now look, using this tool, I turned one of my hour-long videos into 15 viral-worthy clips in less than 10 minutes. But before I show you exactly how, let me warn you guys, this is completely unsponsored review and it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Now here's the thing, with platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels dominating the game, creators who can't keep up are just getting left behind. But there's something most Opus Clips reviews aren't telling you, a hidden feature that completely changes the game, which I'll reveal in just a moment. And by the way, everything I'm about to show you, you can try it for yourself for free using the link below. First, look at these numbers. This is what happened when I tested Opus Clips on my own content. So guys, let me show you exactly how Opus Clips works. I'm going to upload one of my recent videos right now. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. And this is where you can drop a number of links in there. You can drop a Rumble link, a Zoom link, a Twitch link, a YouTube link. There are several different links that you can actually place in here to actually download your video. And the great thing about this is what Opus Clip will do is it will actually recognize where the link is from and actually download the clip for you. So you've got two choices really. You can either paste your link in here or you can upload a video up to 10 gigabytes, maximum duration of 10 hours, or you can even go to Google Drive if you have your video in Google Drive. So it's not just about links. It's different options that you can choose, whether uploading or going directly to Google Drive. And what we've got two options as well. We've got Clip Basic or we've got Clip Anything, but we won't go through the Clip Anything at the moment. That's in free beta, but what I really want to do is show you Clip Basic for now. Okay, so I have a link. I have a YouTube link, so I'm just going to paste the YouTube link in here. And as you can see, it's starting to work now. It's trying to find this video. And that's my latest video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button here which says Get Clips One Click. And then you get a message at the top that says Project Submitted Successfully. And it says you can get better results for free with our newest model. But again, like I said to you before, we're not going to go using that at the moment. And as you can see the previous videos that I've uploaded in the past. Let me just get rid of this. And what it's doing now, it's actually placed this one in a queue. So you can actually do several of these at the same time. You don't have to do it one at a time. You can do several and it will upload and just place them in a queue. Obviously, I've already done these. These are ones I've done previously, but this is the one that's going to be uploading now. And you can probably see a message below each video. It says 1 day to expire, 1 day to expire, 4 days to expire. What that basically means is you have 1 day before it expires, before it actually removes this video. And as you can see, it gives you an ETA as well. So it gives you an ETA, which is estimated timed arrival of about 6 minutes, and it's 20% through this project. And guys, you want to know what's really crazy? It used to take me 2 hours of manual editing. As you can see, this is happening in real time. It's basically just saying 6 minutes here. But don't get too excited yet. There is actually a catch which we will talk about. So a quick question, guys. Drop a clock emoji in the comments if you've ever spent more than an hour editing a single short form video. Come on, I know there's some of you out there, because what I'm about to show you might make you wish you had those hours back. So while we wait for that video to upload completely to Opus Clip, let me just go into another video here and explain what's going on. So let's talk about what makes Opus Clip so different. You see this virality score here. The AI doesn't just look for keywords or transitions like most tools. It's actually analyzing 4 key factors that actually predict virality. First, it looks at the hook strength. Can you see the virality score here? It basically says that the likelihood that this video will go viral on short, TikTok or Reels is 99% out of 100. So what it does, it automatically gives you the strongest video first, and it basically scores them between A, B, C and D, for example. So the hook is basically the video excels in conveying valuable content. The flow, this section provides a complete view of the product, illustrating effectiveness through concrete examples. the value it's actually given, and also the trend. As you can see, it actually gives you a transcript of the video short, and you can also play this short as well. So let's so here's the prompt. So what it's done is it's grabbed all the details and basically written out this prompt. Let's read this out. So the title is, so yeah, it basically goes through the actual video linked with the transcript. So the higher the score here, the higher the chance of it going viral. All right, so you can choose any of these videos here, any of these clips, but what Opus Clips does, it just gives you the most viral one, or it predicts to be the most viral one at the top. Now, what I love about Opus Clips is you've got these nice little features on the right hand side here. So I bet you didn't realize that you can actually publish this clip here that's actually shown you. You can actually publish to social media. And it gives you the options. So you've got all the platforms, so you can go to YouTube, TikTok. As long as you've integrated these within the software, you will be able to publish these directly to the platform. And you've got a choice as well. You can either publish it now, or you can even select a time for it to be scheduled to go out on that particular platform. And there's a button here if you wanted to add any accounts. So if you wanted to add any of these accounts here, you just click on add account, and it will basically sync with whatever platform. As long as you've got the login details, the username and the password, it will basically sync it with Opus Clips. You can either export it as an XML file, you can download the HD file, you can also edit the clip. So if you click on edit clip here, it will go into the clip, and this is where you can edit the clip. But I won't show you in this video how to edit it. This is literally just a review of the platform. So we'll just go back. Okay, so if we go back to the edit screen, you can see again all the videos are here, and this is the one that I've just uploaded. So let's click on that. Okay, so this is the video. So the don't quit e-commerce until you watch this. This is the video, and these are the clips that it's actually produced. And if I just quickly play this, this is basically what it's saying is the best clip of all of them. So just play this. If you stand in the right place, if your store is in the right place, and you've got customers that are actually interested in your product, you will sell product. Now hold on, before you close down your online store, there's something you need to hear. The next few minutes might be the difference between you quitting and you succeeding in e-commerce. Now, you know, selling online isn't just about having a great product. You need to be getting in front of the right customer. And if I can give you an analogy, if you are in an airport, for example, and you're standing at the gate, okay, I'm going to show you how I actually use this. So I would basically listen to this clip and obviously edit it if I needed to edit it, make it shorter or something. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to show you exactly what I do. So I literally just click on the download HD, and it basically downloads a HD clip to my computer. Okay, that's downloaded. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the publish social, and then I'm going to grab that description again. Go back to my YouTube shorts. Click on create, upload videos, click on select files, and grab that file that I just downloaded. And again, it grabs the title from Opus Clips. And I'm just going to paste in now the description that I received, and also just format the description a little bit as well. This is where I edit all the details. I'm not going to show you all of this, obviously, because obviously this is just a review of Opus Clips and not a review of YouTube. But I basically enter in all the details, and now that's going to take 21 minutes to actually process the HD version. And then what I'll do is I'll schedule it on YouTube, and that is how you actually upload to YouTube directly if you want to use it for a YouTube short. Now, the one thing I will say about Opus Clips, it doesn't always, in my opinion, get this score correct. All right, obviously you're talking about AI that's actually making a decision of how it's actually scoring these clips, but it doesn't always get these right. Sometimes I find that even a video that's further down, which is like 80 out of 100 or 78 out of 100, for example, sometimes I actually find that they're actually better clips than the one that is actually chosen to be the top one. Doesn't happen very often, but just be aware that it actually can happen. It is AI, it's not perfect. And what you will need to do is you will need to listen to all of these clips before you make a decision on which one you're actually going to use and which platform you're going to use it on. And even though it has got some issues, guys, I would definitely say it saved me so much time, because all I do is just upload a video and wait for 10 minutes so I can get on and do something else. And it basically just adds these clips into the software. It actually saves a ton of time. And it's well worth the money as well. And since we're talking about money, let's have a look at the pricing as it stands today as I record this video. So if you're going to pay monthly, at the moment it's $15 US per month. it gives you a breakdown of the features that it has. And then you've got the Pro version, which is 29 USD. And again, it's got these features as well. It's got the multiple aspects, which you probably want to use actually. And that's why it's obviously highlighted the Pro version here. Or you've got business. And to be honest with you, if you're going to just, test the water on this, what they've done is they've actually made this pro deal so good that it's a no-brainer to actually go for. And what you can actually do also, that what they're running at the moment, is a save up to 50% with the annual billing. All right. So when you toggle this from monthly to yearly, this doesn't change. But what they've cleverly done is they've actually changed the $14.50 per month, and obviously it will be times by 12 months. But it works out to be a cheaper price than if you were paying this monthly over the course of a year. And as you can see, there's no credit card required, so there's no hard sell here, guys. It is literally something you can actually try out and see if it's something that you actually want to use. And it also gives you the breakdown of the build annual cost as well. Even though it says $14.50 here, you will actually be charged $174 build, and it's annually. But if you didn't want to save the 50% and you just wanted to pay monthly and you still wanted the Pro version, then it'd be $29 a month. Okay, and you got the different packs that you've got here as well. If you slide that across, it just depends how many credits you want to have each month, and whatever you choose on that one, guys, that is completely up to you. Now, what I will say, guys, I don't know how long this is going to be up for. I signed up to this a few months ago and it was running. I don't know when it's going to actually finish. So if you do start the free trial, just keep that in mind. You might see the free trial and the saving here as I'm recording this video. It might not be there when you go to click on the link, or it might be there but it might be running out soon. So I'm just going to say that in advance, just so you don't get upset with me. If it is something that you want to do and I'm telling you that it's going to save you a ton of time, start the free trial, but just be aware that that might be disappearing anytime soon. So guys, this is Des from the Ecom Corner, helping you automate your way to success. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.